Suangulab Vidyalai Chonburi School, or SKT, is part of the Suangulab Vidyalai School Network, which includes 11 schools, all of which are striving to attain and keep the highest educational standards in Thailand. The meaning of the name Suangulab is Garden of Roses. When the idea of SKT was born, it had one of the biggest support from Ms. Panadda Suwannanont, who donated the land for the building of the school in honor of the late King Rama IX. Her father, Mr. Plang Suwannanont, was once an alumni of Suangulab Vidyalai School. SKT aims at producing first-class leaders for the future. Our educational values are based on an innovative national or international curriculum that is integrated with multiple intelligences theory. We are determined to be an excellent school as well as preserving the culture of Suangulab and exhibiting the Suangulab identity, which are leadership, friendliness, respect for seniors, respect for teachers, appreciation, and nurturing. SKT, we believe we are called to build a school of love and warmth. This vision and school motto are being built on the pillars of Mr. Pisanu Sipon, the school principal, and the support of his deputies, Mr. Sane Surasangwan and Mrs. Susharat Dikham. A token in a responsible hand can be a treasure. The leadership of SKT has turned a piece of land into a school with modern facilities, such as physics, chemistry, and biology labs. Cooking labs, iMac room, library, entertainment room, and classrooms equipped with computers, projectors, and internet access to enhance technology and innovative learning. Nature was not left out. We have classrooms built in the garden. The green vegetation gives a serene environment which is very conducive to teaching and learning. SKT offers special programs like English Program, EP, and Mini English Program, MEP, which aims at encouraging young generations not just to communicate in English but to be outstanding on the international level. The students in Mini English Program study the fundamental courses in English, while students in English Program study the fundamental and additional courses in English, except the courses related to Thai culture, such as physical education, health education, and Thai language. In order to bring our students to the international level, we organize language and cultural exchange programs in the USA, Singapore, New Zealand, the Philippines, and China. An initiative for an international program as an affiliate of Cambridge School in the United Kingdom is in progress. This international program is planned to take off this year. Teaching in SKT is with a goal to prepare students for the top universities in Thailand, to be good citizens as well as prepare future leaders of Thailand. Our teachers are sent overseas time to time for training and for their professional growth. We have 122 teachers, 12 of whom are foreign teachers and 31 specialized guest teachers. While teachers work diligently to achieve the goal, classroom focus is on encouraging all-inclusive students' participation. We started with 1,067 students in 2012, and then in 2017 we had 2,789 students. Our students' number growth between 2012 and 2017 is over 100%. In 2016, SKT was the 5th most desired school in Matayom 1 admissions in Bangkok, and the second most desired school in Matayum for admissions in Bangkok in the same year. SKT won 74 out of 156 gold medals in the 2017 government high school competition in various categories ranging from academic to extracurricular skills. For the 2017-2018 university admissions, over 100 students from SKT have already gained admission in the top universities in Thailand to study medicine, pharmacy, engineering, biochemistry, and so on. Success is a summary of our journey. We welcome you to join the School of Warmth for your success.